Hello and welcome to my channel. This is SQL Sunday Quiz Week 3 and this question is going to be on data warehousing. The question last week was which of these statements is true. It was all about integration services. So the options were one package can have one or many projects, one project can have one package, one project can have one or many packages, or one package can have one project. And the answer to that question was one project can have one or many packages. So congratulations to everybody that got that right. Don't forget as well, guys, you can now support me on Patreon. But we're going to move on to this week's question, which is going to be on data warehousing. So when designing a data warehouse, which data model is considered best practice? Is it star, snowflake, third normal form, or unstructured? Answers in the comments below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of great content on SQL programming, business intelligence, data analysis. And if you'd like to see your questions asked on the channel as well, do send those across to me, askbeardeddev@gmail.com, and I'll post them on the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.